Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Today I'm going to be making a cake that my grandmother used to make called the Plum Good Cake. It's also known as the plum cake or even the baby food cake. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 eggs, 2 jars of plum baby food. Plum baby food is getting hard to find, so you can substitute any dark fruit flavor of baby food. Here you can see I've used banana plum grape baby food. And for the icing, you need 1 cup of confectioner's sugar and the juice of 1 lemon or enough lemon juice to make a drizzle. First thing, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Mix together all your dry ingredients. So that's the flour, the sugar, and 1 teaspoon each of cinnamon and ground cloves. But since I'm extra spicy, I added 1/2 teaspoon extra of each. Boom! Stir together your dry ingredients. Now add in your wet ingredients, the vegetable oil, the vanilla extract, 3 eggs, and the baby food. And mix. Once your batter is thoroughly mixed, grease a bundt pan and pour the batter in. Bake at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. When your cake comes out of the oven, let it cool for at least 10 minutes before trying to get it out of the pan. And to make the icing, simply add lemon juice to the confectioner's sugar and stir. Finally, top your cake with the icing and enjoy. So how does it taste? Let's find out. The cake is perfectly cooked. It's a little bit crispy on the outside, nice and moist on the inside. Full of those spices, the cinnamon, the cloves. Nice and warm texture and feeling to it. And that icing. It's a nice, cool little touch, refreshing hint of lemon with the lemon juice. Really cool. I hope you guys try this. And if you don't find the plum baby food, don't worry. You can still call it a Plum Good Cake because it's plum good. Or you can just call it a baby food cake. Either way, I live it. I love it. I'm here for it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.